Welcome back. Auto by X 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster is a masterpiece of automotive art, and its beauty becomes even more extraordinary when explored through its wide range of stunning color options. Every color on this hypercar is carefully designed to highlight the flowing lines, exposed carbon fiber, and handcrafted details that make the Huayra Roadster a true symbol of luxury and performance. Pagani does not treat color as a simple paint choice. Instead, each shade feels like a personality that transforms the car's character. Classic exposed carbon fiber remains one of the most admired options, giving the 2026 Huayra Roadster a raw and aggressive presence. The deep black carbon finish, combined with glossy or satin clear coats, emphasizes the aerodynamic curves while showcasing Pagani's advanced carbon titanium technology. For buyers who want a more elegant and timeless look, pearl white and ivory tones add a sense of purity and sophistication, making the Roadster appear lighter and more sculptural under natural light. Bold color lovers can choose deep Italian red, inspired by racing heritage, which gives the Huayra Roadster an emotional and passionate identity. Metallic blue shades, ranging from dark midnight blue to bright sky blue, reflect light beautifully and enhance the car's futuristic design. These blue tones especially highlight the contrast between painted surfaces and exposed carbon elements. Green shades, including emerald and racing green, bring a rare and exclusive feel, making the car stand out as something truly unique on the road. For those who prefer modern luxury, silver, gunmetal gray, and champagne gold offer a refined and high-tech appearance. These colors perfectly complement the intricate wheels, titanium exhaust, and finely crafted interior details. The color experience of the 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster goes far beyond traditional paint, turning each car into a moving sculpture tailored to its owner's taste. Pagani's craftsmanship allows colors to change character under different lighting conditions, making the Roadster look dramatic at night and breathtaking in daylight. Matte finishes are also available, giving the car a stealthy and modern personality while still revealing the complex curves and aerodynamic surfaces. Special gradient and layered paint techniques are another highlight for the 2026 model. These finishes subtly shift tones from one panel to another, creating depth and motion even when the car is standing still. Some owners choose warm bronze or copper-inspired shades, which give the Huayra Roadster a vintage meets future appearance. These rare tones pair beautifully with exposed carbon sections and polished metal accents, making the car feel both mechanical and artistic. Bright colors such as yellow, orange, and custom purple options appeal to collectors who want maximum visual impact. These shades emphasize the Roadster's exotic nature and ensure it becomes the center of attention wherever it appears. Pagani's attention to detail ensures that even the smallest elements, such as mirror caps, side skirts, and rear diffuser highlights, can be color-matched or contrasted for a dramatic effect. The interior customization mirrors the exterior color philosophy. Owners can select contrasting seatbelts, embroidered logos, and hand-stitched patterns that reflect the chosen body color. Carbon fiber inside the cabin can also be tinted to match the exterior, creating a seamless design flow from outside to inside. Every color choice is applied by skilled artisans, ensuring perfection in every layer and finish. Ultimately, the 2026 Pagani Huayra Roadster is not just a hypercar, but a personal statement.